हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टडी नेशन। माय नेम इज दिनेश सिंह और आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं लेक्चर 8 इन द सीरीज ऑफ लर्न द कंसेप्ट विद पीवाईक्यू। आज हमने एक क्वेश्चन लिया है जो कि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर बेस है एंड दिस इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन। ओके, सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 ऑफ एनडीए 1 2024 सेट ए। ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन। ओके, so just read out this question. If omega is not equal to 1, so which is the cube root of the unity? तो कभी भी आपसे बोलता है cube roots of unity, so there are 3 cube roots. One is a 1, another is a omega, another is a omega square. So sometime if somebody asks you what is the cube root of unity, so आप बोलेंगे there are 3 cube root of unity. One is 1, another is omega, another is omega square. Okay, and remember if somebody asks you, this is what, these are the root of this equation. And if somebody asks you these, so the roots are omega and omega square. I am not going for the what are the omega and omega square, उसको कोई याद करने की बहुत सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट है। ओके, so if somebody asks you the complex root of the unity, then we will say omega and omega square. Okay, so whenever the omega and omega square are given, so first thing you should keep in mind, first omega raised to power 3k is always 1 where k is any integer, and 1 plus omega square plus omega raised to power 1 is equal to 0. So these are the two concepts. Generally it is written like 1 plus omega square. So these are the two basic things you should remember. Now here what they are writing, so another one. So I am saying what is the concept is used. So remember everyone, if somebody asks you, okay, so suppose somebody asks you x cube minus 1, okay, or this is written. Okay, always remember if z cube is equal to k raised to power 3, where k is any value which is not a imaginary value, which is a real value. So अगर आपके पास है, then the roots are, always remember roots क्या होंगे. So because we know the cube root के, अगर आपके पास z is equal to, इसका मतलब है whenever there is a x cube is equal to 1 cube, what are the root? We will say 1 omega square. So in this case just multiply by the k. So what we will say, the root would be what? 1 would be k, another would be k omega, another would be k. और अगर यहां पे मान लीजिए k लिखा है तो you have to calculate the cube root of k. Okay, so k omega square. So let's see what is the equation. It is written as, okay, z minus 100 raised to power 3 is given as, if 1000 goes, so that is a minus 10 raised to power 3. So using the concept, what would be the root? We will say z minus 100 because this is your x. Okay, so the root would be what? One would be minus 10, another would be minus 10 omega, another would be minus 10 omega square. So these are the three roots. Okay, now 100 will go right side. So what would be the root? So one root would be what? 100 minus 10, another would be what? 100 minus 10k, another would be what? So basically 10 omega. Another would be what? Sorry, it's a 10 minus, because yes, sorry, 100 minus 10, another would be 100 minus 10 omega, 100 minus 10 omega square. So if you solve, one would be 90, another would be 10 minus omega, another would be 10 minus omega square. So B, Bombay is the correct answer. Clear everyone? Okay, so पहली चीज आपको याद रखनी है, whenever z cube is a k cube, so z has three roots, one is a k, another is a k omega, another is a k omega square. So यह क्या आपने उसी तरीके से किया, you got all the three roots. So okay, so I hope this concept is clear to everyone. So whenever cube roots come, you can always solve this type of question. Okay, So this is all about this lecture. So do like this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe it. और अगर आपने मेरे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो do join the telegram group. Okay, along with that, this is my personal mail telegram ID. If you have any query regarding the mathematics, you can message me on this one. So I will try to reply you on time. Okay, so thank you very much everyone. Bye, take care, see you in the next class.